In this video, I'm going to describe about how the sequential output works. So here we have got the ladder diagram, which has got the start as an input, and this input will start our timer. And we have got the timer on delay, which address is shown in here, and the time base is 1.0, and the preset values is set as 10. So that means our timer works every 10 seconds. Similarly, we can see a sequential output whose file address is shown in here. So remember to put hash while writing the file address, and we have here the max address as shown in here, and the small s in here represents the hexadecimal number, and our destination is set as O colon 0.3. So our output will be displayed in this address, and we have got the control address in here, and the length for the sequencer output is set as 5, and initially the position is set to 0. So here, when I start the timer in such condition, my accumulator values goes on increasing, and once it becomes equals to the preset values in such condition, my timer is done, and my position for the sequential output will increase by 1 unit. So when my position for the sequential output reaches to 1 unit in such condition, my file values, which is shown in here, will be displayed in my output terminal 0.3. So when every 10 seconds the timer is changed in such condition, my position will be increased by 1 unit. So when the position reaches to 2 in such condition, my file value will be displayed in this terminal, output terminal. So let me run this program real quick. So here, when I start the timer, in such condition my accumulator values goes on increasing, and once it becomes equals to 10 in such condition, my position will be increased by 1. So here, when the position reaches to 1 in such condition, my this file values is displayed in my output. So after 10 seconds, my position will again increase by 1 unit, and it becomes 2, and this my file value will be displayed in this output terminal. And again after 10 seconds, the position will reach to 3, and this value will be displayed in here. And again after 10 seconds, my file values will this file values will be displayed in my output, and after 10 seconds, this file value will be again displayed in my output terminal. So here, once the position reaches to 5, my sequential output will again be reset to 1. So here this file value will be displayed in this output terminal. So here, the sequence will happen all the time and repeat itself from 1 to 5. So that means whenever we want to provide the different output every 10 seconds, we can use this ladder diagram.